A growing middle class envisages an end to privileges is the next subtopic. In the past, peasants and workers had participated in revolts against increasing taxes and food scarcity. But they lacked the means and programs to carry out full scale measures that would bring about a change in the social and economic order. Peasants, as you know, they were very weak and they're economically very weak. So, even though they revolted against the increasing taxes and food scarcity, but they did not have proper programs to carry out full scale measures to get their economic right. This was left to those groups within the third estate who had become prosperous and had access to education and new ideas. Emergence of middle class. In the 18th century, a new social group emerged who were known as the middle class. They had become rich through expansion of overseas trades and also manufacturing of goods such as woolen and silk textiles that were either exported or bought by the richer members of the societies. And during 18th century, some social group emerged. These are called middle class. They themselves only what made them strong enough to sustain in the society. In addition to merchants and manufacturers, the third estate included professions such as lawyers or administrative officials. These are also included under middle class. All of these were educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by birth. They objected it that in the society no one should be privileged by the birth. Rather a person's social position must depend on his merit. These ideas, envisaging a society based on freedom and equal laws and opportunities for all, were put forward by philosophers such as John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and Montesquieu. So these are the philosophers. What they said about the privileges by birth and what should be the people's position in the society. Let us discuss about them, the philosophers' ideas. And philosophers also influenced the people to join in the French Revolution. John Locke, in his book Two Treatises of Government, criticized the doctrine of the divine and absolute right of monarch, whereas Rousseau carried the idea forward, proposing a form of government based on a social contract between people and their representatives. Whereas Montesquieu, in his book The Spirit of the Laws, proposed a division of power within the government between the legislature, executive, and the judiciary. This model of government was put into force in the USA also after the 13th colonies declared their independence from Britain. American Constitution and its guaranteed individual rights was an important example for political thinkers in France. People were discussed the ideas of these philosophers is generally in saloons and coffee, no uses and spread among people through newspapers and books. These were frequently read aloud in groups for the benefit of those who could not read and write. The news that Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to be able to meet the expenses of the state generated anger and protest against the system of privileges. So these are called the philosophers who influenced the people through their books and also their ideas. Their books were read by the people in different local areas where they united themselves and also they got influenced and got inspired also to take the steps against the government who was called Louis XVI government. Thank you. In the next unit I will discuss the next, that is called the outbreak of the revolution. This is all about who was ruling. What topics we had discussed today. We discussed about the French Revolution in a glimpse, then French society during the late 18th century when he became Louis XVI, when he became the king, how the France was. then French society, then how they struggle to survive, then next is a growing middle class envisages, and that means the middle class, emergence of middle class, and the idea of philosophers. Who were the philosophers? John Locke, Rousseau, and Montesquieu. By this philosophers, they got influenced and contributed their effort, their struggle, and protest against the Louis XVI government. Thank you. In the next unit, I will discuss more. You have to read till page number 7 so that you can understand. After listening this, so that you can understand this better. Thank you.